Good afternoon, students of 4th standard. Today, I think this is the first lecture of English after when we started to give lecture on online. So this is Jamadar sir, and I am here to teach you English Bharati standard 4th. In our textbook, the first poem is Rain in the Night. Before going to start this poem, I would like to ask you a few questions. The first question is, how many seasons are in a year? How many seasons are in a year? Second question, which season does come after summer season? There are two questions I have written on the blackboard. The first question is, how many seasons are in a year? And the second question is, which season does come after, or we can say come after summer season? Actually, I don't want answer from you people, just you think about, and if you know answer, keep in mind and just write in your English notebook. The first question is, how many seasons are in a year? Absolutely, there are three seasons: winter season, summer season, and rainy season. Second question is, which season does come after summer season? So after, what we can say, after summer season there will be a rainy season. And as we know that at present the rainy season is undergoes, or we can say going on. And the first poem is based on rainy season. Actually, this is the poem is about small child. Small child, page number one. If you have textbook, you can open page number 1, and there will be one side the small child, the picture shows, and another side the pencils, the shrubs are, the small trees are shown there. The first, and there is a, in this poem there are 5 stanzas, and each stanzas having 4 lines. So shall we start? Yes. Rain in the night, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. The first stanza I will write here. So before to start to write on the blackboard, the poet of this poem is Amelia Josephine Burr. Raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. This is the first stanza written on the blackboard. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. So, in our area also, yes, last night there was a heavy rainfall. And how, see here, naturally how rain does fall? Just like a loud or just like a soft. The poet is telling here the first stanza, there was a rain in the night, just like a sometime loud or sometime soft. Loud and soft means sometime heavy and sometime soft, just like a song. It means how the song plays, the playing the song just like a sometimes the sound of the song just like a high one and sometimes low one, just like raining all night long. There was a, what we can say, rain throughout the night. The rain was throughout the night, and sometimes it was a loudly fall down and sometimes soft one. And just like the sound of the rain is just like the poet is comparing with the song. One side, imagine one side the song is singing and another side there is a it's raining. How it's raining is the rain is not continuously fall down. Sometimes it is loud, sometimes it is a soft, sometimes it is a heavy, sometimes it's low. And another side, how the song is playing, the song, the music, the sound of the music, the sound of the song is just like a sometime high and just sometime a low. It means the poet is comparing the rain with a song, how the song is playing high and low, the music high and low, and just like the sound of the rain is sometime loud and sometime soft, we can say. Here soft means what? Slow, or you can say, you can take it slow, gentle. And loud means what you can say, heavy. So might you understand this? Raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. I think you understand first stanza. Second stanza, I'll write here, there will be rivers in the gutters. In the gutters. And lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. See here, in first stanza we have seen that how long the rain fall. In first stanza of the poem we have seen that how long the rain fall. We have seen that the rain was fall, sometime loud, sometime soft, just like a song. Here the effect will be rain. The effect of the rain on the after raining. For example, there is a heavy rainfall, and when the rain is stopped, what is the effect of the rain on the ground? Sometimes what happens, muddy area, gutters are full. You know, the streets just like a lake, and the road just like a puddles. In the puddles, water is gather in that. So same thing here. The second stanza, there will be rivers in the gutters. When is it? after raining season, after rain. When the rain will be stop, that time the gutters, what is the gutters? Gutters just like channels of the both sides of the road. It means in the gutters what happen, what the rain falls over the street or over the road, that water to be flow from the channels, from the gutters. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. When after heavy rainfall, that water to be flown into the gutters and lakes. Lakes means what? Pathways we can say. And lakes, street means path. And in the street what happen? Place to place, the water is gathered after rain. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Kitty means here, kitty means